Merry Christmas, everyone! Welcome back to the SVK_Tech channel. I'm your host, Satya Venkata Kumar Gunapali, and today we're blending tech with holiday cheer. On this special festive edition, we dive into the magic of Christmas and technology. Before we delve into the tech meets Christmas fun, let's take a moment to step back in time. Picture a young Satya, wide-eyed and filled with anticipation on a chilly Christmas Eve. The house is filled with the aroma of freshly baked cookies, and the soft glow of the Christmas tree lights are the only source of illumination. I remember sitting by the fireplace, clutching a cup of hot cocoa, as I eagerly awaited the arrival of Santa. The magic of those moments, the anticipation, the warmth, the love, those are the feelings that make Christmas so special. Now, moving on to the main attraction of the day, we're going to explore some tech-infused DIY Christmas decorations that you can recreate to add a unique touch to your holiday celebrations. Then, we'll spice up the holiday with a delicious Christmas recipe, a treat that even tech enthusiasts can master. We're also going to unwrap some innovative gift ideas that blend the magic of Christmas with the wonders of technology. But first, we'll delve into some unique holiday traditions, both tech-related and time-honored classics. And guess what? We've got a special guest joining us today to add an extra dose of holiday joy. Keep your eyes and ears open for that. Now, I want to hear from you, our amazing tech-savvy community. What's your favorite Christmas tech gadget or app? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in to this festive episode on SVK_Tech. If you're enjoying the holiday tech fusion, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Wishing each and every one of you a tech-tastic and joyous holiday season. And remember, you can connect with me, Satya Venkata Kumar Gunapali, on social media. All the links are down below. Until next time, signing off with a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.